out for my donate. If you want, I'll share it now after the performance. Thank you very much.
Dekola. My wife. Dekola uttered one statement. He said, if I'm not funny, he will return your money. Yes. What did Jack say? They don't wish laugh. Now giggle, they never laugh. People when they spray money, sit down here. If they look me, you don't call me up. Now when people wey fit rub the little way I get now, come remain. You come dey talk say, mashallah, go ahead, man. As you are going, collect your money. Famous. Now remain. Famous. Thanks for last week. I appreciate it. Gentlemen and ladies, if you won't collect house, please don't collect house in Akure. And if you won't collect house in Akure, go directly, go meet landlord. If your boyfriend or your brother is an agent, now Akure rent, house rent 100K, total package 450. Now, you know, when house rent be 100K, total package 450, you will be forced to ask the agent, how far? You will now be hearing explanation. Agreement 50,000. Agreement 50,000. Caution fee 100,000. Displacement fee 50,000. Replacement fee 50,000. Overcrowded fee 50,000. When you come ask the don't say, don't give me too much about that guy. This month, if I don't chop again this year, I don't believe food. I'm the only man that got served 2 breakfasts, one in January, one in February. Thank you. It is very painful to explain, but it was better. I know that my girlfriend was seeing my other girlfriend. 2 of them now became lesbian. They now leave only me in the relationship. Seriously, Nigerian guys, why you not use toothpick after eating? How many of you use toothpick after eating? You use toothpick. Have you John? Oh my God, yeah. Gentlemen and ladies, you're all welcome. Thanks for supporting Love Cruise Wahala. At this point, I have to take my leave. God bless you so much. Thanks for coming. See you again next year. May the love of God be with you. May you catch cruise and may you never see Wahala. Thank you.